Well, let's see. 455 times 15 equals $6,825 for that job. How would y'all like to make that every time? What's up, you guys? You got Mike here from Mike'sMoneyTips.com today, coming at you with a quick video. Wanting to show you a quick way to make some extra money. As you saw in the intro, it's a way to make good money. And what I'm going to show you towards the end of the program here today is how to make the money with a few clicks of the mouse. And I've got a few other places I want to show you that you can put things out there that if you did this, it's going to cost you a lot of money to do. But the thing I'm going to show you, you can make money with and do it for yourself and make even more money. So without further ado, let's get going. First place we're going to go, if you wanted to hire somebody to do this, we're going to talk about writing ebooks today and doing ebook covers. As you see here, if you done this right here at standard, just for an article, is $1.40 for 150 words. Come over here to ebook. You see it's 7,000. This you can't even start none of this with less than $230. And this is a very small book. You know, you're only talking 7,000 words. You're not, that's what, 50 pages maybe? I mean, it's nothing. Go to a Kindle book and you're talking, I guess it's the same price. But you know, it's, as you can see, it's not cheap to get that done. Another website we're going to look at is People Per Hour. These are ghostwriters to write your book. They charge by the hour, of course. And you're figuring probably minimum of 100 hours, so that one's $67 per hour. Just to show you, 67 times 100 is $6,700. That's a lot of money for a single book. You know, that's about minimum there. And if you put in, let's see here, kill that, let's put in ebook cover. Come on. Ebook cover. Let's do that. Ebook cover design, same difference. You just get it digital, so you're talking probably roughly 24 or 18. I mean, how many of these do y'all think you could sell a month? Let's say, let's go with the $15 one here, okay? Right? Pull the calculator back up. 15 times 30. It's $450 a month just for that one gig. You know, if you sold one a day. And what I'm going to show you, you could do multiples. You could do 30 a day easy. But, you know, I'm not talking about all that. Here again, let's go to Fiverr where you could sell it. This is ebook album covers. This guy's got over 1,000 of them. Now, granted, this is the guy that I've done for the opening scene, which was 455 book covers. You know, but let's check this one out. He's done, it says over 1,000. Let's see how many he's actually done. One thing I don't like about Fiverr anymore, it don't put it on the front screen. You actually got to go into their little ad, but that's okay. He's done 7,283 of them. And this is just standard package at 10. So add a zero, that's $72,000. Almost $73,000 he's made out of this with 8 in the queue. What's the standard? Let's see what the standard is. $20. So you can double that. That'd be $146,000, give or take. Because the premium probably, let's see, what's the premium? It's 30. So yeah, say on average, say $20 a piece. So you know he's made over $140,000 doing this, people, and it's not hard at all, especially with software I'm about to show you. The software is called Scribble. It's a way to write ebooks on demand. They've got 50 templates, 300 different layouts, unlimited pages, easy to use, and you don't even have to actually write the content for this. You can go and look up other people's stuff and get the URL, and it'll spin it to where it's 100% unique. You're not copywriting anything, and it will create a ebook in a minute. I mean, you get commercial license with it, you get instant content, you get all this stuff with it, and you know it's just a few clicks away. I mean, seriously, it's no time at all. No Photoshop skills or anything else you got to buy. It's just click, design, publish your own ebook, report white paper in minutes. You know, and I showed y'all you can spend $100 to $500 for a stock template on websites. I mean, I showed you this. You can burn that type of money all day long, and why spend that money? You know, as you can see, it's a special sale price right now for $67. It's the only thing you'll ever need. I mean, seriously, it's a very simple tool that, you know, you pick a template, add instant content. Like I said, you go and get the URL from a website, or they do have instant niche articles inside the program. But if you're trying to write a book, I would suggest, you know, trying to get content from outside the website. But, you know, or of course you can write it yourself and upload your own file. You know, it is what it is there. You can customize it and then publish it, and it's all from one place. As you see, it's fast, easiest, all-in-one software, jaw dropping ebooks on demand. I mean, it is what it says it is. And don't forget that you can always Kindle publish this, and you know, whatever book you decide, and you can make. I know they started $1 on Kindle and go through the roof, so you know you can charge whatever you want to for it. Build a list. You know, build a lead magnet for your sales funnel. It's a good thing to do that way. Like it says here, sell more ebooks at a higher price. You know, turn casual readers into engaged superfans. I mean, you know, it's a really good software, and it's for somebody like me that can't write that well. It's a really beautiful software because you can just pull content from any URL or from their built-in database at a push of a button. I mean, you don't have to be super creative to do this. You can just, I ain't gonna say steal other people's content, but let's face it, there's no new content online anymore. Everything's been redone. So as you see, automatic footers and headers, automatic page numbering, drop and drag technology, just about everything nowadays. I mean, it's super simple to use. It's completely customizable. You can upload your own images, make your own templates here. You can, you know, add elements, whatever you want. They say it's the only one you'll ever need. I'm sure somebody will come out with something better eventually, but right now this is probably the best one on the market. You know, and as y'all see down here, this coupon code right here, you get, I think it's an extra 20% off right now with the coupon code Iron Man. Let's see, because I know it'll let you, which means it brings it down to $47. Sell 2 ebook covers and it about covers it. I mean, it's a really nice thing here. Let's say that was Iron Man. Oh. Yeah, it's $20. See, it brings it down to $47 for you. So, you know, I'll leave a description and the link for this one, or a link in the description for this. So if y'all want to check it out, you can. It's like I said, it's probably one of the better ones out there. As you see, you get an extra $20 off of it right now. How to make some really good money. You know, if y'all like what you seen, like, subscribe. If y'all want something even more passive, check out the first link in the description. It'll help you out. Until tomorrow.